Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox not logging in. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox not logging in, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about Roblox. When you will find this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you click storage. When you'll find this page, you click on clear cache, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode. You will click here, you will turn on, then you can wait a moment, then you can turn off your airplane mode to fix your problem that you have on your phone on Roblox. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.